What's up? It's Cult5. I'm here to show y'all what's in my closet. Alright, what up? Don't mind the fit today. This is the lazy fit, so I can show y'all actually what's happening in my closet. And yeah, I figure why not, you know? Maybe some of y'all want to know how I dress. Just kind of like some of the clothes that I rock on a daily basis. As you can tell, this one's a lazy outfit. I'm rocking sweatpants and just a undershirt and a throwover jacket. Anyways, I'm here to talk about the real thing, what's inside my closet. So first things first, I want to show y'all actually some different pieces, not from directly inside the closet, but just some like daily effects of mine that I have, which to start off with, here as y'all can see, here's some of the things that I be using on a daily basis. Socks, pair of shorts, belts of course, and a bag, and some ties. Alright, starting off simple and easy, socks and shorts. So normally on a daily basis, I be wearing shorts as underwear. How many of y'all do that? Am I the only person that does that? I like to wear shorts as underwear because it's more convenient for me. Like, they have pockets and they honestly feel better to me to be wearing on a daily basis rather than like tight underwear or, you know, boxers or briefs. You know, boxers or briefs are basically just shorts without the pockets. So I took it a step further, decided to get some really comfy shorts. And included with these ones, most of my shorts have zippers, so I can be carrying my stuff on me all the time while, you know, in the bare minimum of clothing. So yeah, for me it's convenient, it's comfy. Socks. I'm pretty basic with my socks. I don't really be doing too much. I used to when I was a little bit younger in my teenage years, more so. I used to be wearing socks, like really crazy ass socks, because I love having like different unique pieces of like clothing, especially with socks, because it was something I can get away with and dressing like really wild. And I used to collect socks that had like weird shit on them. So it'd be like, I had a pair of unicorn socks at one point. I had a pair of socks that said just like had like fuck on it at one point. I got these on me right now actually, which are a pair of flamingo socks. I'm not gonna unroll them, but they're just a pair of colorful God damn, they're a pair of colorful flamingo socks, which I fuck with. I still like to wear kind of crazy socks, but I've kind of kept it down to a minimum now. Other than that, on a daily basis, I'd be wearing like pretty basic socks. Like I said, these are some polo socks right here, whites, blacks, and just some different color socks. But these ones are my fault. These ones are super soft, and these ones are my favorite pair. Not this colorway specifically, but just these kinds of socks. They're ankle socks. So I like the way that they feel, and yeah, they're just kind of more convenient for me. So I really like to be wearing like ankle socks mainly. Next up, we got belts. Now on a daily basis, I pretty much always wear belts. I like to be wearing jeans, so I always wear belts unless I'm like in a lazy fit, just doing something nonchalant. But yeah, on a daily basis, I pretty much be wearing belts with every pair of my jeans that I got. The first set I got are my kind of more casual going out day belts. These are the Hermes belt and Versace belt with the Medusa head, and for the Hermes belt, it's the signature logo belt. Yeah, these two are just my casual going out belts. They're pretty worn in, but I love them a lot. This one has, the Hermes belt has an alligator print on it, and then for the Versace belt, it has the insignia printed all over it with Versace on the sides as well. I really love these two belts. They're super comfy, they work really well, and yeah, haven't failed me yet. Next up, the more dress fitted and appropriate. These are the belts that I be wearing when I'm in more like formal attire or anything that has to do with like a dress up kind of occasion. So I got the Chanel belt and I have this Philip Plain belt, and both of them, they're sleek. Basically, this one's got pearls on it, that's kind of cool, and this one's just like a faceplate. But yeah, nice belts, fine leather versus the other ones, more like sturdy leather. So yeah, these really go for like dress outfits, but I wear them sometimes casually when I don't have anything else to do. All right, second to last, I got the belts I don't wear anymore. This old Louis Vuitton belt, and this old kind of just basic belt that I got from my grandfather. Yeah, I don't wear them too much anymore because this one doesn't fit me too much, and I've obviously upgraded since then. And this one broke, so, but I kept it around just in case I ever want to switch out the faceplate or the logo, and just like switch it for like a normal leather strap that I could use anyways. And last but not least, probably the flashiest belt that I have. I know what y'all are thinking, it looks like a BB Simon's belt, and you're correct, it does look like a BB Simon's belt, but I will tell you this costs more than a BB Simon's belt. About $100 more to be exact. But yeah, it's basically the same. It's just fancy, you know, studded out in rhinestones. Really nice belt, still works really well, love it. I just don't wear it too much because I don't have really any outfits that this works with, so I might sell it one day, but for now it's kind of like just to hold on to because it's a pretty belt and something that I like. But yeah. Up next, we got my satchel. This isn't a purse, this is a satchel. Y'all caught the reference. But yeah, this is what I be using to go up on a daily basis. I ain't gonna take everything out, but yeah, it's just got like essential stuff in there, some band-aids, my wallet, keys and whatnot, you know, stuff that people carry around with them that they don't want to be carrying in their pockets. I got a satchel for, so yeah. And finally, a good man can't go without having some ties. I don't wear them, but I have them. So yeah, but yeah, I got some ties on me. I don't really wear them too much, like I said, but I have them. And they're pretty fancy ties. I got them around just in case for like special occasions or, you know, funeral type shit. Anything that would need a tie. But I don't have any like suits to wear them with, so I just have them around. But these are fairly nice ties, so I kind of just keep them. I got them as like Christmas gifts and just some birthday gifts. But yeah, I got this purple one, basic blue one, and then two basic looking ones, but the pattern on it is what makes it like a nice tie. All right, so that's it for what I have that's not specifically in my closet, but still stuff that I pretty much use on a daily basis and just a part of the closet that I more so keep in my cupboards, in my drawers. But now onto the closet. So I'm not gonna pull out too many clothing items, but I'll pull out a couple of fits for y'all just to check out. Yeah, see what I be rocking on a daily basis. All right, so the first outfit I want to be talking about is this one right here. This piece in particular, this is a custom-made shirt that I made back in grade 7. And yeah, it's one of the first pieces I ever made, hand sewn and customized myself. It's just got a distress pattern on it, very basic, paired with a Rick Owens undershirt. But yeah, it's super cool. I like it. I fuck with it. I still wear it to this day because I'm really proud of it, the fact that I made anything. And honestly, I hear that this kind of style is in fashion right now. So paired with the upper shirts is a pair of pants. These are basic New York pants that I got from West 49 at some point a long time ago. The fun thing about these is this was also custom worked. Not custom made, but custom worked. I took these and also did a distress pattern on them. The entire pair of pants I distressed and worked. Also added this little keychain detail, but so that's the pants. Did some distressing to the ends, my fault. I did some distressing to the ends of the pants as well as distressed the top bit. Added a anarchy symbol and custom knee holes for it. Did up the back bit too. I know y'all can't see it too much in this lighting, but just did some more distressing on the back, some X patterns. And I try to do like a lightning bolt kind of fashion into the back of this pocket. So yeah, that's outfit number 1. On to number 2. So I know y'all probably spotted this one off the rip. It's quite colorful. All right, so here we have just a Louis Vuitton sweater paired with an Amiri pair of pants. Looks better from this side. But yeah, as for this sweater, there's nothing too special about it. It's Louis Vuitton X NBA, so it's got kind of like the colors to it, different team colors. But yeah, I like this one for the winter time and just like on a casual day. It's super comfy, like super warm too. And yeah, you don't have to get this exact sweater, but I recommend anything sweater like that's like cuffed, has nice cuffs to it, and it yeah, it feels like heavy on you, you know, something that's warm and comforting. That's what this sweater does for me. Now with the pants, these pants are loud. I got a pair of Amiri pants, patchwork. Included with it, I kept the tag on it and added this kind of really cool chain that I found online. I think I just got off of Amazon, something like that. But yeah, I thought it worked well with the pants. It brings a little bit of pop to it. Here's the back side. Yeah, it's cool, it's casual. I thought it worked really well with the sweater, so I kept them together. It's like one of my more like rock star based fits, I would call it. That's fit 2, on to fit 3. All right, this is outfit number 3. So for outfit number 3, we have a True Religion hoodie, pretty basic, all black. Yeah, some just keep me warm. And paired with that is this black leather jacket that I have, oversized fits me, but it's oversized where the cuffs kind of like hang off my hands a little bit, which I like the style of, and yeah, it fits well. It's kind of like a low-key outfit. The reason I have this kind of paired together was, first of all, I need to pair some clothing pieces together, and these were outliers, and so I decided to combine them together. But I decided to keep them together because it kind of remind me of Michael Jackson. Y'all ever seen what is it? I think it's Bad, or it's Thriller. So not Thriller, no. Michael Jackson wears a pretty similar outfit to this, and I just kind of like the style. I was like, you know what? I look kind of like a greaser, so let me keep this outfit together. And yeah, I fucked with it a lot, so I had to keep it clean, had to keep it pristine, and so I kept a pair of black skinny jeans along with it. Something to match with the entire outfit, stick with the theme, and yeah, not steer too far away from that like 80s greaser look. That is fit number 3, now on to fit number 4. Alright, so for our final fit, this is it right here. Another kind of like, you could say greaser inspired, rockstar inspired outfit. For the top, we have an Amiri denim jacket, biker jacket, paired with an Alexander McQueen shirt. This is easily my favorite outfit I own, hands down. This is my favorite outfit I own. I never had anything like this growing up, so I decided, you know what, I've seen this around, and this was an outfit that I wanted to have for myself. And yeah, this is like the definition of my aesthetic right here, is this outfit. Paired with the Amiri denim jacket and the McQueen shirt, I have an Amiri rhinestone denim skinny jean. Really basic other than the rhinestones on it. But again, this is easily my favorite pair of jeans that I own, and will forever probably keep around this outfit. Like, these jeans are so comfy. I swear to God, I could fall asleep in these jeans. I wouldn't, but I really could be. Like, this is such a comfy pair of jeans. Like, if I had to describe it, they feel like sweatpants, but they're jeans. And on them, besides the rhinestones, of course, I paired it with this biker chain that I got, biker pants chain that I got. Yeah, I don't even remember where this came from, but it looks cool. It works. So this is the back. All right, and that would be it for our final outfit from the closet. I guess out of everything else I have in my closet, everything else is kind of just like stored away stuff. So nothing I really want to pull out or show y'all. But you know, I got some books, got some pair of old shoes. My laundry's in there. I ain't gonna pull that out. This is my dirty laundry. And yeah, just like some art supplies and just extra materials I have just laying around that I keep around just in case I need to fix something up. Or yeah, if I ever want to do like an art project or anything like that, that's what I have in there. Besides that, the only other outfits I have are my daily outfits that I'll be using. And of course, here they are. Besides what I'm wearing right now, which is actually the third daily outfit that I wear, I have 2 other daily outfits that I wear that are just really like lazy outfits. I wear them when I'm going out to do something small, or when, oh shit, when I just need to take care of something around the house. They're just outfits I keep on, you know, just to stay covered up in some kind of way. But yeah, this is the first outfit. Like I said, muscle shirt, bait, throw on, windbreaker, with that kind of varsity style. And as y'all seen before, outfit number 2 is a pair of bait shorts, which are bigger than my normal shorts. I don't wear these as underwear. I wear these as like normal shorts. They're just casual, comfy. Like, I could wear these to bed type shit. But yeah, they're more like for going out than anything, and just for like really, really hot days. Paired with that, I have this V-Lone hoodie that is really cool. It's a special V-Lone hoodie. It's a little Newport A$AP Yams V-Lone hoodie with the bag. Oversized XL, of course, for them lazy days. Super comfy. I love it. It's really cool. And for the last outfit of the day, I have my probably most worn outfit. And honestly, I wouldn't mind dying in this. But I have this pair of Adidas track pants, real basic ones. 3 stripes, you know, you've seen them. You know what they are. I have that paired with my black Revenge hoodie. It's got nothing else on it, just the Revenge, but it's the embroidered hoodie. And to complete that outfit specifically, because I wear that one literally probably the most, I have a pair of, what are these? I forgot what these are. They're called Black Icon shorts. But yeah, I turned them into shorts. These were actually sweatpants, but I cut off the bottoms and kept the button up on the sides so I can like undo them, keep them like loose, casual, or I can just wear them as full shorts. All right, and yeah, that's it for my closet tour. What's in my closet? Now, this ain't no GQ interview, but I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope y'all got what you needed from this, got to see some outfits from me, and particularly like what I like to be wearing on a daily basis, and probably my favorite outfits of all time that I have in my closet currently, until I get more clothes, but those will always be grails. If I could, I'd have those in museums. That's how much they mean to me. But yeah, thank you for watching. I appreciate y'all, and yeah, leave your favorite outfits down in the comments below. Besides that, go get yourself a new outfit. I feel like you deserve it, you know? Go get yourself a new outfit. All right, look, I tried to record this 3 fucking times, 4 fucking, I don't even know anymore. Look, I got a clothing shop on Depop where I'm selling my old clothes. I'm selling customized fucking clothing that I like to make. And if that's something you want to check out, you want to support a motherfucker like me, who's Rockstar, who makes clothing on the side, please, by all means, go check it out.